Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to move around in Kitely. Located on your screen is a small square box that is shown here with the blue arrows. You can actually left click this and drag it anywhere on your screen that makes it more convenient for you. If you click on any of the arrows, your avatar will move in that direction. For example, the forward button will cause your avatar to walk forward. The down arrow will cause your avatar to turn around and walk back where it came from. The right and left arrows will cause it to walk right or left. These bent arrows will cause your avatar to turn either to the right or to the left. The two arrows all the way on the right, the top one will cause your avatar to jump. Oh, she didn't jump. There you go. And the bottom one will cause your avatar to crouch. Just press and hold and she'll crouch. The buttons along the bottom will allow your avatar to walk, run, or fly. Yes, in Kitely we can fly. When you're flying or running, it works the same way. Your arrows will cause her to go forward, or turn around and go backwards, or to the right or left. It does change the three buttons along the bottom to one to stop you from flying. Just click it and you'll drop back down to the ground. You can also use the keys on your keyboard. The key W is forward, and the keys A and D will turn your avatar in that direction. The S key will actually turn your avatar around and walk back where you came from. If you're more comfortable using the arrow keys, they will also move your avatar forward, turn you to the right or to the left, and the down arrow will turn your avatar around and walk back. The F key on your keyboard will also cause you to fly. Please use this time to practice now by moving your avatar around and walk to the door where you will find the next whiteboard demonstrating how to sit.